Okay, so Cornucopia Lab 3, what we're going to learn today is draw string, set font, and set color. This here will actually show you, I'm not going to show you how to do this, but if you copy and paste this into your program, it'll actually show you all the different fonts you can do. Right now, I just set it to Arial. So if you run that, you can actually get the name of the font and paste it in here, and you'll get a different font. So those are the 3 commands we're going to talk about. We're also going to look at this website here, colorpicker.com. There are other ones you can pick, but this is just kind of shows you, you can pick a color here. Like say if you wanted a brown. And this would be the numbers that you copy, RGB. I'll do that in a second. So that's the Color Picker website. We're going to do the 3 commands, set font, draw string, set color. All right, so if I go and open up Eclipse, this is what we had before. This is logos. You should also have one called house. What I'm just doing is select all of this, Control A, copy it, Control C, and then we're going to make a new lab in the drawing one, new class. You're going to name this one Cornucopia. Eucopia. I think that's how you spell it. And then hit finish. You don't have to hit public static void main because what we're going to do is it's going to open up a new one and we're just going to Control A, Control V. We're going to just paste the code in here. Now we're going to have to make changes. We are in the Cornucopia class now, so I have to change this to Cornucopia or whatever you named it. I'm just going to copy this. Then we're also going to have to change it here. And where else? I think that's it. Oh, here too. I'm sorry. Cornucopia. So Cornucopia panel. Let's make that a lowercase. No, that's uppercase because it's class. So panel equals new Cornucopia. Okay, and then so you're just basically going to change the name of it up here on the 3 different spots that you see highlighted to be whatever class name that you want. So we're going to go ahead and also go in here and delete everything from here to here because that's your old code. And then you're going to create a couple circles here. First, you can do the background if you want. Let's go do the background. So the background is just a rectangle. G2D dot fill rect. It's going to be at 0, 0. And then what you can do is you can actually leave it as width and height. Because we have this width and height variable up here, it will kind of automatically draw us whatever you want. Now, say we want this background to be this kind of gold color. You could pick yellow, but that's not really yellow. So what you want to do is set it to a different color. G2D.set color. And then you'll want to say new color. So this is a different thing, new color. And then you're going to give inside this set of parentheses, see that you kind of have 2 separate sets here. You're going to put in 3 numbers. Those 3 numbers are going to be from the Color Picker website. So let's find a gold color. You can pick an orange color if we want it to. All right, there you go. That's good enough. So we're going to say, we're going to copy 211, 195, 143. So 211, comma 195, comma 43. So if I went ahead and run this, there we go. So now we have that yellowish color. The cool thing is because we left width and height, it will actually scale as we redraw the window. You can kind of see maybe if it kind of redrawing as we do it. So there we go. So that's that. So basically that's draw color or set color with a different thing. We're also going to, I'm not going to do the ovals. You already know how to do the ovals. The text. So let's look at the text. Set font and draw strings. Let's do those real quick. Copy. All right. Actually, let's also make a color. All right, we got to set the color to that orangish looking color. Or if you hate orange, you can pick a different color. Oh, that's not fun. All right, so I just picked orange. We're going to say 215, 142, 45. And this is for the orange color. So we're just really changing the middle color, really, which is the green. So now we have the color. We have the font here. This is set font, new font, the font type, the font style. So you can also pick bold or italic. And this is the font size. So if you want to change it to make it bigger or smaller, you can do that. There you go. Here is when you do the draw string, it is the string you want to draw, the text you want to draw, comma X, comma Y. So let's see what that does. So that should draw it at 100, 100. Happy. Okay. If you want, if you remember, you can actually use the new line character, which is /n. Thanks. Oh, I think I did the wrong slash. Or maybe this doesn't work with the slash. No, that's the right slash. No, I did the right slash. Okay, I guess that doesn't work. So what you're gonna have to do is make a whole different line for Thanksgiving. Just copy and paste this, right? And then change the Y to something like that. Happy Thanksgiving. Again, you can move that wherever you want to move it, whatever. So that is how to draw text, how to do custom colors. If you want, you can mess around with that, doing a different thing, different font type. If you want to know your font types that you can pick from, copy and paste this in here. I'll just do it since I'm already here. Copy paste that in there. Hit play. It's not going to show up here. It'll show down here. Okay. So close it, and then you can see all the different font types you can use. So if you wanted something like, I don't know, what's something that's really different? Comic Sans. Here we go. Comic Sans MS. Paste that in there. Comic Sans MS. There you go. It's Comic Sans now. You pick whatever font you want. Don't really care. Except Wingdings, obviously. That's kind of. I wonder if it does Wingdings. Yeah, there you go. So pick a font that actually draws some words. I don't care what font you use. And that's it.